The video is about getting rid of the scary alerts related to the site Aired.live. Aired.live. This is a malicious site attacking Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computers in order to force them into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. Don't ever trust these fake alerts by Aired.live. They are totally faulty and deceptive, so simply leave this page. Such pop-ups could be the result of some adware enabled in your computer. We recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it. Then after the program gets successfully installed, start researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.